Are you eligible to take the PMP exam? Hello, I am Daud, and in this video, I'll explain what is needed to qualify for this exam. Well, there are three requirements. The first one is the education requirement. You need a high school diploma, which is equivalent to 12th grade education to qualify for this exam. That is the minimum requirement. Of course, you can have a higher education, higher degree. The second requirement is the experience requirement. Now, this requirement depends on your educational background. For example, if you have a bachelor's degree or a higher degree than bachelor's degree or something equivalent to a bachelor's degree, that is 4 years of education after high school, then you need 4,500 hours of work experience leading and managing projects. Now, that experience must have been acquired over at least 36 months. Of course, more is acceptable, but at least 36 months. So you cannot say that I worked 80 hours a week and within 16 months I have acquired 4,500 hours. That is not acceptable. So it has to be at least 36 months. The second would be if you do not have a bachelor's degree. If you have a high school diploma or an associate degree, in that case, you need 7,500 hours of experience managing and leading projects. And that has to be over 60 months, which is equivalent to 5 years. Now, the third requirement is the project management education requirement. You need 35 hours of formal training or formal education in project management. That could have been acquired through a university course or some other course that you have taken, but it is supposed to be a formal education. So these are the three requirements that are needed to qualify for the PMP exam. So are you eligible? Now, if you are unsure, contact us.